Good morning, everybody. Happy Thursday. Hope you're doing well. You know, Thursdays used to be my regular stream day when I started. I used to start off streaming on Thursdays and Sundays, but now I'm streaming every day. So, as you know, I'm on a quest to do 100 data science streams. That's going to take us through the end of the year. It's going to take us, excuse me, not the end of the year, October 31st. It's going to take us to the end of October. I misspoke there. Which should take us through the beginning of the school year in many parts of the world. So I'm looking forward to that, spending some time with you. So thank you so much for joining me today and hopping into the chat and spending some time together. I think we're going to do something a little bit different today. I got a little bit of a different stream in mind. We're gonna have something that might require a little bit more audience participation. So I'm going to be relying on a lot of feedback from you guys today. So get your thinking caps on today. It might require you to participate a little bit.